back to our channel for another video. So this is our day 2 in Hampi और अगर आपने day 1 नहीं देखा है तो let me recap it for you. कल हमने travel किया था हैदराबाद से हम्पी and we covered some amazing places in अंजनाद्री. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो आपको description में link मिल जाएगा. Go watch it there. And for today we are exploring the south side of Tungabhadra river जहाँ पे जो main हम्पी के ruins हैं. Those are there in this area and we plan to cover them one by one. So let's get started.
So our first stop for the day is Virupaksha temple, and the most interesting part is the worship has never stopped here for the thousands of years.
So this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, who is worshipped here as form of Virupaksha. To reach this temple, you have to walk through a long street where you can see Hampi Bazaar. Imagine this place centuries ago when there were traders from throughout the world who used to come here to sell pearls, gems, elephants during the Vijayanagar Empire. The towering Gopuram is about 160 feet tall, and imagine that being constructed in 15th century.
So early in the morning, this place feels magical. There is not much crowd, and the sunrise you can observe behind me over there in the Gopuram.
So right behind me is the famous pinhole camera effect of the Virupaksha temple. So there is a dark chamber right near to the main temple. वहाँ पर आपको एक छोटा सा होल है through which light passes and जो opposite में गोपुरम है उसकी exact image inverted form होती है. So this is like no magic, no mirror. It's just basic science principle called pinhole camera. So when the light falls on the Gopuram, it travels in a straight line. So from the top, it forms an image to the bottom, and from the bottom of the Gopuram, it forms a straight line to the top of the pinhole area. So वहाँ पर एक exact inverted image form हो जाती है उस Gopuram में. And imagine somebody back in 15th century knew this, understood this, and created something like this. Virupaksha is a form of Shiva and is believed to be the guardian deity of Hampi. The massive Gopuram in front of the temple was commissioned by the king Krishnadev Raya in 15th century. His reign marked the golden era of the Vijayanagar Empire. When Hampi was attacked in 1565, most of the temples and the structure here were destroyed, but this temple remained intact. Mostly because it was a working temple at that time and people, the locals from here, they protected it. So there is an elephant in the temple named as Lakshmi. So she blesses everybody by keeping her trunk on the head of people. So when you are here, don't miss that as well.
So just on the left side of the main Virupaksha temple, there is a Hemkuta temple complex.
इसी कॉम्प्लेक्स में there are two huge monolithic statue of Ganesh ji. तो अभी हम वही देखने जा रहे हैं. So one is Kadale Kalu Ganesh and the other is Sasive Kalu Ganesh. And the interesting part is both of them are made from one rock structure itself.
So Kadle Karlu Ganesh ji की जो मूर्ति है, that is 4.5 meters tall and is made from the single rock. So next we are visiting the Sasive Kalu Ganeshji, and this is a 2.5 meter tall Ganeshji statue made out of a single rock. So there are a lot of places nearby the Virupaksha temple which you can cover in a one go, and you will find a lot of photogenic spots everywhere.
So it's almost 10 a.m. and we didn't had our breakfast since morning. So अभी हम Virupaksha temple के पास में ही back side पे there are a lot of restaurants and there was one place that we heard a lot about. It's called Taste of Brahmins. तो हमने सुना था कि breakfast के लिए this is a must try place. So we thought that we'll take a stop there. और यहाँ पे ना काफ़ी भीड़ है. So we are just waiting for our turn.
So once you are here, don't forget to try their masala dosa and idli. It's just amazing. So it is a little small place, so you might have to wait for the sitting or you might have to eat outside. There is a small bench over there.
हेमकुटा कॉम्प्लेक्स से जैसे जैसे आप आगे आओगे तो वहाँ पे और भी ऐसे ग्रुप ऑफ मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं. तो देर इज दिस प्लेस which is called Krishna Bazaar. This is relatively newly excavated place. So this is like half a meter long market. It used to be a market and it was known as Krishna Bazaar because they had a chariot in which they used to place Krishna during ceremonies and processions and all during their time. एंड इसी मार्केट, दिस वाज द मेन मार्केट फॉर द ग्रेन्स. एंड जहाँ पर ये मार्केट एरिया एंड हो रहा है वहीं पर ये एक सेक्रेड पॉन्ड है दैट वाज नोन एज पुष्करनी.
And right opposite to the Krishna Bazaar is this the Krishna temple, which is so huge.
Even after years of destruction, all these things still exist and it's just so fascinating to see. Everything here is so detailed, such intricate carvings. You will be mesmerized if you're planning to come here.
So one of the biggest highlights of the Hampi visit is this Narsimha Lakshmi temple. It is a huge monolithic statue made out of a single rock.
So this statue is 6.7 meter tall. It's really huge.
So originally in the statue it had 4 arms and the Lakshmi ji sitting on the left lap, but during the invasions it was all broken down. Even though the Lakshmi ji's whole statue is broken down, but she is still present via her right arm, which is on the back of the statue. So we just saw one of the huge and most amazing Shivling in Hampi.
So this is Badvi Ling and this is in the same complex to the Narsimha Lakshmi temple. And the Shivling here is 3 meter tall, which is huge. And the room is actually closed, but there is an opening through which you can see. So under the Shivling there is water throughout the year, and the source of this water is through a small canal from the Tungabhadra river. So we have covered quite a few places so far and we still have a lot of them to cover. हमारा प्लान है अभी विजय विठला टेम्पल जाने के लिए, विच इज फेमस फॉर द चैरियट दैट यू सी ऑन द 50 रुपी नोट. सो वी आर प्लानिंग टू गो देयर नेक्स्ट, बट उससे पहले हम रुके हैं लंच के लिए ऑन आवर वे टू विजय विठला टेम्पल.
तो अभी हम पहुंच गए विठला टेम्पल एंड यहाँ पर एंट्रेंस पे इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन गेट अ बगी राइड एज वेल. जो चैरिट वाला एरिया है दैट इज़ अबाउट 1 किलोमीटर एंड फॉर दैट लाइक देयर इज़ अ ह्यूज लाइन. सो वी हैव डिसाइडेड वी विल गो बाय वॉकिंग इटसेल्फ. एंड जो बगी का कॉस्ट है दैट इज़ 30 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन अप एंड डाउन. To visit the Vijay Vitla temple, there is an entry ticket which is 40 rupees per person, and if you do the online payment, then it is 35 rupees.
The stone chariot behind me, the one that you see right here, so that's the one that you see on a 50 rupee note. And this is inspired by Garuda, which is Vishnuji's vehicle. Though it looks like one solid block, it is made using multiple granites. And the most interesting part, the wheels that you see here were originally movable, but later on they preserved it and fixed it. But initially it used to be a movable one. Before entering Vijay Vithala temple, you will see a Vitthal market outside. So that used to be the most luxurious markets of its time in Hampi, and the foreign travelers used to compare it to Rome at that time. If you are an architecture lover, you're definitely going to love this place. This is an heaven for you. So one interesting thing that we saw here is this architecture. Once the rainwater falls from here, from using these cones, it drops directly to these pits. यहाँ पर होल है तो ये पानी जो है सीधा यहाँ से नीचे जाके कलेक्ट होता है. एंड वाइल सम इवेंट्स दे यूज्ड टू डेकोरेट दिस प्लेस, तो वो यहाँ पर लोटस वगैरह रखते होते थे. behind me is the most interesting part of this temple. So these are musical pillars. There are in total 56 musical pillars in this compound. When you gently tap on these pillars, it produces some sounds, musical notes, and that's why they are called Sapswara. And these pillars are made up of granite, which is one of the hardest stone.
So अभी तो म्यूजिकल पिलर्स पे टैप करना अलाउड नहीं है, बट दे हैव एडेड द स्कैनर्स जिससे आप ये नोट सुन सकते हो.
So this is the most interesting part. So if you look closely, the architecture only in this part shows 5 different elements. You see a frog, then you see a monkey, mother monkey holding up a child monkey. If you see this part, it's like Nagdev. Okay? If you see from this side, it's like you seeing a flying Hanuman. And if you see this part, it's like a monkey, mother monkey is feeding the baby. टेम्पल से जब आप बाहर आओगे सो देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ स्मॉलर मॉन्यूमेंट्स अराउंड इट. आप वहाँ से बस चलते हुए आइए तो देर इज दिस किंग्स बैलेंस, सो वेयर द किंग यूज टू वे हिमसेल्फ अगेंस्ट सम प्रीशियस मेटल्स एंड ऑल, एंड देन दे यूज टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट टू द लोकल्स.
So on our way to Kotilinga, look what we found. It looks like an unfinished work. They might be working out of that single big stone. Looks like they might be creating a trishul or whatever. But so fascinating.
So now we are at Kotilinga. Koti literally means like 1 crore shivlings. So you will see a lot of small shivlings, and in the middle the bigger shivling, which is known to be the main shrine. यहाँ पर ऐसे वाले और भी बहुत सारे सेक्शंस हैं. तो यहाँ पहुँचने के लिए आपको 2 मेथड्स हैं. फर्स्ट इज़ यू कैन टेक अ कोरेकल राइड, और वो आपको कुछ कुछ पॉइंट्स पे रुकाएंगे एंड देन यू कैन कवर दीज प्लेसेस. सेकंड इज़ बाय ट्रैकिंग. तो जब आप विजय विठला टेम्पल से सीधा आते जाएंगे तो ये सारे स्पॉट्स बीच बीच में बहुत सारे ऐसे टेम्पल्स, कुछ रुइंस और ये कोटिलिंगा ऐसी चीज़ें आती जाएंगी. लेकिन यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए हमें थोड़ा ट्रैक करना पड़ा. फ्रॉम देयर वर लाइक वेरी बिग ह्यूज रॉक्स, उसके ऊपर से आना पड़ा. तो अगर आप बच्चों के साथ या बड़ों के साथ आ रहे हैं तो आप ये नहीं कर पाएंगे, एंड आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट यू टू कम विद देम हियर.
So to come to Kotilinga, we started from that second side, and all over we took a round trip from there, and from these boulders we came till here. Now the interesting part is that over these boulders you can see a lot of carvings of Vishnu ji, Narsimha ji, Shiv ji, a lot of shivlings as well.
So on the way back from Kotilinga, there is a lot of space. You can sit anywhere and relax. So that is Tungabhadra river, and it is so relaxing to sit by the shore of it. Then on this side you can see Anjanadri hill over there. So that's the birthplace of Hanumanji. It's across Tungabhadra river, like we are on the opposite end, but from here you can clearly see that. that's it from our day 2 in Hampi. So tomorrow we'll be traveling back, but we'll be covering few places before we leave. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy wandering.